Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bill Pay through the SoFi app for card balances step by step clearly. Open the SoFi app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the home screen, locate and tap on the Accounts tab. Find the card for which you want to set up Bill Pay. Tap on the card to open its details. Look for the Bill Pay option within the card details. Select Set up Bill Pay to begin the process. You'll be prompted to enter the payment amount. Input the desired amount you wish to pay. Next, choose the payment frequency that suits your needs. Select the due date for your payment. Proceed by tapping Next or continue to advance to the next screen. Review the payment details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, confirm your Bill Pay setup. You should receive a confirmation message once the setup is complete. Your Bill Pay is now active, and payments will be sent according to the schedule you set. Close the app when you're finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.